Good evening, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you two easy ways to insert or add a row or a column to your Excel document. Okay, so let's say you need to insert a row. You would click on the row you want to insert. Let's say I want to insert above row 2. Okay, then I'm going to click on row 2 and right click, or if I'm on a Mac, I hold down Control and click, and I choose Insert. And that will insert a row right above that. I can also do it again, insert more. Now here's a little hack. If I select 2 blank rows and right click, Insert, it will insert 2 rows. So if I need to insert a bunch, I could select all 4 of these, click the first one, hold Shift, click the last one, then right click and insert, and that'll insert 4 rows. Okay, that's one way you do that with your mouse. The second way, let's say I want to click one above the row Heidi. On my keyboard, I hold down Control, and this is on a Mac. I hold down Control, Shift, plus. I believe the PC version is the same. Let me check that real quick for you. PC version, Control Shift plus. Yep, it's the same. All right. So again, I select the row I want to add this, and the shortcut on the keyboard is Control Shift plus sign, and that adds a row. You would do the same thing if you wanted to add a column. You'd select the column that you want to add the row next to, and you'd right click or control click on your mouse and choose Insert. That adds a column to the left. To do it on my keyboard, I would select the column, and then I'd do Control Shift plus, and that adds a column to the left. So same thing. If I want to undo this, Command Z or Control Z if I'm on a PC. Hope you found that helpful. That's how you add columns and rows within Excel. If you want to learn more about Excel, please watch the playlist that's attached to this video and subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.